Hello everyone, and I want to show you the problem what I have, and this is problem with the light in cabin in the car, inside of the car. Now I have the light, and there is on, off, and door, and this is not working when the door is open, and this should work. Now my door is open, but it doesn't work. But it's work when second door is open. So yeah, now it's work. And I want to show you how I fix the problem. Uh, the main stuff what work on it. This is this button, and this is make the light in the car. So probably this button doesn't work on the left side. So you also can see the light here, the button here, and this is button doesn't work. Oh, now I see some new interesting information. Yeah, this is a problem here. We need to screw up and fix it, or make it better. Yeah, like it should work now. Okay, so we choose this. Scrapped. Okay, and this is problem is here. Okay, let's see. I will open this stuff, this button, and check it out. So I will put away this stuff, and we'll see what is change, how it's changed. So we have a button. So I found out that the problem was exactly with this stuff, and I don't have time to buy a new one now, and probably this is problem was with connect with this metal and the screw, and I was just changed. I just replace it from this to this. Yeah. And now it's work. And now it's work very good. You can see. Yeah, when the door is closed, this doesn't work. When open, it's light. So yeah, I fix it. Just replace, because I'm driver and I more often open the door here, and this is for me in this place is more better than place side of passenger. Thanks guys for watching me. Please subscribe me on my channel. My goal it is 1000 subscribers. Now I have 87. Please give me like and subscribe here. Thanks a lot.